What does it mean when my Ring device says it's offline?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an issue many Ring device owners face at some point. What does it mean when your Ring device says it's offline? This usually means that your Ring device is not connected to the Wi-Fi network, and hence, can't function optimally. We'll guide you through the reasons why this may happen, and more importantly, how to fix it.
Why is my Ring device offline?
Your Ring device might be offline due to a few reasons. 1. Power issues. Your device might be unplugged, or the battery may be dead or not adequately charged. 2. Wi-Fi connection problems. Your Ring device may have lost connection with your Wi-Fi network. This could be due to distance from the router, network congestion, or network outage. 3. Software glitches. Sometimes, the software of the device might experience minor glitches causing it to disconnect from the network. Understanding these reasons is the first step in solving the problem.
How do I get my Ring device back online?
Now let's get into how to get your Ring device back online. 1. Check power supply. Make sure your device is properly powered. If it's battery operated, ensure that the battery is adequately charged. 2. Check Wi-Fi. Check your Wi-Fi network to ensure it's working properly. Try connecting other devices to the same network to verify this. 3. Reboot your device. In case of software glitches, a simple reboot can solve the problem. Unplug your Ring device, wait for a few moments, then plug it back in. 4. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi is working fine and your device is powered up but still offline, you may need to reconnect your Ring device to the Wi-Fi network. You can do this through the Ring app. In most cases, following these steps should get your Ring device back online. If your device still remains offline after trying these fixes, it's best to reach out to Ring's customer service for further help. We hope this video was helpful and we're confident that you'll have your Ring device back online in no time.